This is another series of soaps that I made yesterday. I want to see if today they are ready to unmold. I used my usual recipe. Nice. I'm going to show you in a minute the way that I like to cure them. And the curing rack that I'm using with the baking sheets. I'm going to go ahead and stamp these as well. So these are my baking trays, stainless steel, but I still like to add such a cookie sheet just to be on the safe side. Here you can see this particular custom soap curing at the moment, and I'm going to show you the packaging in just a moment. The first 150 soaps are now shrink wrapped, just with a regular shrink wrap, and then this is how they turn out. And now it's time to add the label. So for the label, something that I designed with a program called Canva. So it's their logo on it, and then the ingredients and so forth. And I'm just going to add the label to the back of the soap, just like so. And this is how it turns out. I'm gonna go ahead and label them all and then add them to two different boxes just to make the weight not too much for one box, you know, and then maybe risk that the box will break on the way to another state, so to speak. Also correct, if needed, the shrinkage to make it really nice and snug. Now I take this box here, and then I'm gonna add a bubble wrap here on the bottom of the box, just to make things a little bit more safe for transport. I'm also going to add a tissue paper to the sides, red, like you can find in some of the flags. I think it just makes a difference, you know, it elevates a little bit the package or a gift box or whatever with a simple kind of tissue paper. So I want to figure out what way would be the best to send it so that they fit snugly into the package. Instead of them, you know, wobbling around. Probably like this. So if you do have a soap business, then please always bear in mind that not only the ingredients are the thing that you want to calculate when you're pricing your soap, but also the time you need for packaging. You need to clean up, you need to do a lot of things. In my case, I also designed the label. I printed it, you know, so these are all costs that you don't necessarily see at the first glance. So I'm going to add some paper shreds in here to fill the holes here on the sides. And then going to add some tissue paper. This should be good for transport. A little bit some eco-friendly packing material. So let's prepare the second one. And add in a little thank you soap. Put it together, and then I add these shreds here that I got with my own shipping, and I think it's great if you just can use them again. So this is gonna go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in more soap making related videos, please check out the playlist here on the screen where you will find many more. I wish you a wonderful day, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.